Oh, these are nice the way they're set up like
you
this.
always come and visit me.
What is this called?
This one is a diesel razor. You know, in the diesel,
Right.
the sub,
Right.
when the sub come together for like 400,000 years,
Right, and it becomes
it's come to this one.
so it's called a desert razor.
Yeah.
He wasn't very happy in the end. Oh, look at this.
They got a name on it?
Yeah, I filmed it, but I don't understand what the heck it could be.
Rigid lawn grip reamer. I don't know. It's all yours, man.
Oh, good eyes. Thanks for reading that for me. The wind, I think. Wow, this is nice. What are you asking for this table here?
That table's 450 or best offer. So I'm gonna just slowly.
There's a few more tables. Try and find something good, or at least worthwhile anyway. Ha ha!
Okay.
I'm doing the same thing.